Go!
Okay. You bitches are gonna die down there. Just like, oh shit, my hand. No. Oh. No, I live like 10 minutes away. You're so soapy. Oh. Yeah, I just put it in my foot. Oh, yeah, my fingers. Oh, did me too. Oh god, I am so going down. Wait, you're not bringing the heat. I'm trying. My toenail just got in my foot. There's a big scratch. I'm sorry. It's okay. Oh,
Thanks.
oh my god. Trenton. This is gonna finally come off one day. I need water. Who's got the water? Water. Face. Now you know how it feels. Face. Refreshing. Alright. Getting tired. Come on. Hold on, hurry. Okay. Go. Oh my god.
Video.
Oh my god. What? He was here wrestling too. Thomas. We probably have a blower. You soapy bitch. You slimy bitch. You slimy toad. You're like from the Jersey Shore. You're like, you're not a bitch. Whoa. So much soap. It's like, seriously, are you sure you don't want us to do your mom's dishes? Be pretty good at this. Get back in the kitchen! You want to go there? I love you, bro. Oh, you're full on booming. Like it. Bro, sorry. Jesus, you peed on the mat. Son, dumb shit. Sorry, that was me. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Can you get my face? It's like face spray. Get it again.
And this is all taped.
How long is this video?
About 6 minutes.
I haven't seen that. It's longer. Yeah. Alright. Stand back up. This better stop before someone moves it. Look at all the mud. That's yucky. That's not the mud. It's from a pond.
Or there's grass under the...
Yeah. Hit my head a little bit, man.
Yeah, I'm like...
Whew. That's jellyfish has its head on. Yep. Thank you, Lord, for that. Alright, you ready? This is fucking weird. This is awesome! Don't do that face to me, bro! Smack your vagina in the ground. I think you broke it. I'm never gonna have kids now. Where am I? Okay. Oh my god. How do we do this?
Is anyone ever gonna tap out?
Oh, we gotta pin somebody. Someone's gotta like get seriously like injured.
No.
That's in the face.
Let's not injure each other at my house.
Someone better.
Someone has to be the ref. Custody if it's her
Yeah, we need a ref.
I'll be a ref.
What is it? Pin for 10?
And we'll be like, what?